Hello, check everybody. Azrael here. We are here in SM Mall of Asia sa Music Hall for the Genki Dance event. At we're going to use the Canon Z1 Power Shot to do a coverage. Kuha tayong reels, kuha tayo ng photo coverage. Okay, let's do this. Alright, we're still here sa Genki Dama at Tech Fair 2025 pala to. It's a mix-up event here sa Mall of Asia. Parang in collaboration with different community, especially Toy-Con, kasama rin yun dyan. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon. Okay siya, napakasaya. If you love Beyblade, mga Magic the Gathering, Warhammer, mga nagpe-painting dito ng mga minifigure, mga gaming, online games. Ba? At meet and greet to mga fans. Meet and greet to mga lovers ng Dragon Ball Z. Yan, mga Pinoy lovers natin. Doon sila. Mura na pala yung autograph sa Nico Wadred. Pero sila, sana dala ako, sayang. Wala akong dala. Yun ang problema. Sayang. So, meron dito mga giant Pokemon TCG na you can play. Paglalaro kayo, may kalabang kayo dyan. So, grabe, laki ng card. Grabe, oh. Ito yung pa ako. Grabe, laki. So here sa side na to, it's yung mga TCG, yung mga cards. Ayan, mga collectible cards, mga gaming cards. Usually, puro Pokemon yung nakikita ko dito. Ayan, daming collectors, grabe. So ito sa side na to, it's the arena ng mga Beyblade players. Ayan, grabe, lalabanan na sila. Ayan, dami. Pipila ka lang doon, oh. Also, mag-register ka. Galing. At meron itong mga booth ng mga cosplayers where you can meet and greet. May mga photo op, signatures, and also bilhin yung mga photo prints nila in support for their cosplay career. Ayan, galing. So dito may mga booth ni Samsung tsaka ni Oppo. Ayan, parehas tayo, may phones niya, no? Naka Oppo 13 tayo. Dito naman Samsung S24 Ultra. Ganda nung Oppo nila. Oppo Reno F. Reno 14F. Grabe, ganda. Galing.
You are not...
At may dancing din dito. Oh. Galing. Anong game to? Just Dance! Grabe.
Strategies to that time. 30.
Nandito pala yung mga dalawang kite, isang UNICEF.
Yeah,
Mga rhythm games. Ayan, no?
any type of search, only top 4. Okay, so we need to... Wait, we need to check with the judge first. What happened? Wait, can you return lang sa deck? If a player would search their library, they only get to look at the top 4. So we would like to thank Blue for that card.
So that's it for our run and shoot with the Canon V1 power shot. Yeah. Okay siya for content creation, coverage, video and reels. Super effective yan. So sasoli ko ito kay Canon, no?
Thanks for
Hindi ko
joining me.
maladala sa Palawan, but next month pagbalik natin, manghirap pa tayo next pa yung Canon Canon R50P. So ayun, I'll be ending now my vlog here. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys sa next video vlog. Thank you, Canon. Kita-kits sa next event.